Hello. Okay. Welcome everybody. Thank you for having me. Thank you very much, Delino. It's a pleasure to be here. I really appreciate the opportunity. Okay, I'm Kennedy by name, but my YouTube name and my business name is KennyEarn, and I'm so happy to have you all in this live section. You're welcome.
Okay, I think they can hear me now.
Okay, very good, very good.
All right. Okay, so if you actually missed what I was actually saying in the first place, I was introducing who KennyEarn is to the public, yeah, because it's actually a good forex trader, and trust me, if you want to make money as a forex trader or in forex, then you need to make sure you are familiar with who this guy is. Like, it's really amazing. It's amazing. He knows a lot about forex trading and is into forex trading and also binary trading, and is also the CEO of KennyEarn trading platform. And yeah, if you want to go ahead and learn more about him, I'm going to leave the link to his YouTube channel is actually in my description below. Yeah, it's actually my description below, basically, so you can just go ahead and subscribe to his channel and see more contents on his channel. On his channel is actually giving you guys free knowledge concerning forex, so you're not paying for it, you're not paying a dime. So trust me, this guy is amazing. Imagine you're learning a lot from him. And if you want to go ahead and learn other things concerning him, yeah, he also has like a training platform, or let me say, like a training class I do go on. I would like to say it maybe regularly, maybe every month or something. So if you want to go ahead and learn more about it, so you can just go ahead and subscribe. And I'm also going to paste the link to join the Telegram community in the live chat. So for those that want to go ahead and join the Telegram community, this is where we are actually going to be, for those really converting those that actually want to go ahead and sign up for the class. So if you want to go ahead and sign up for the class, I'm going to drop the link later on in the live section. Yeah, so I'll just leave it to KennyEarn. Well, I think most of you actually heard what KennyEarn was actually saying. I actually introduced himself, but as for me, yeah, don't mind me. I'm trying to set up this live stream, but it's not easy. No, this is a raw video now. I'm not. But yeah, I'm Gigdelino, and for those that are actually new to my YouTube channel, thanks for sorry about that. Thanks for joining me on my YouTube channel. I'm Gigdelino. Here on this channel, I create videos concerning tech tutorials, product reviews, and making money online. So trust me, if you want to learn more and you want to learn more on how to make money, and you want to make money online, like you want to make 1 million naira in less than 1 week, then you can go ahead, you can go ahead and subscribe to the channel. So yeah, let's dive into the video straight away. Like, I don't want to waste much time, so we can, so that's it. Over to you, KennyEarn.
Okay, I just want to know everybody can hear me. If you can hear me clearly, you just say hi on the comment section, so I will just be sure everyone can hear me clearly. So I can go ahead and share my screen, right?
Yeah, you can go ahead and share screen.
Okay, you all are welcome to today's live, and I'll just jump straight to the topic. We have spent a lot of time, so you're welcome to KennyEarn Trading Tips. Today I'm going to be sharing with you the secrets to consistent profit in the forex market. And you're welcome to the new year, January 2022. It's a wonderful time to be living in the world. And today's subtopic, it's how to grow a $100 account to $500. That's the beautiful topics Geek chose, and he asked me to talk on this topic, and I really appreciate that. And so let's jump straight to it. This is all for educational purpose. So I'll just start with a little introduction about Forex. And so for some of you that are the first timers, you can just know that Forex is basically the global market for the exchange of international currencies. So it's basically Forex, foreign exchange. That's what it means. And then Forex is the real deal in online trading. If you want to go into online trading, Forex is the mother of all. From Forex, we have binary, we have crypto, we have uh, stocks and all that. But the major mother of all online trading is Forex. So it applies most to spread betting, betting over currencies, betting over the difference of currency, maybe euros and pounds. So you're betting between the exchange price of those currencies. So how do we trade Forex? What do we do in Forex? We basically trade an asset, either we buy or we sell. So while the price is trending in our direction, we keep on making profit. So it's not a fixed amount nor a fixed expiry time. So you just place your trade, and the more the market is going in your direction, the more you're making money. And if you can add something what we call leverage, it's going to be multiplier of what you invested. You keep on making good money, and it's also called position trading. So for example, if I buy Euro USD at $1 per P, and each time the market goes up, so if I buy, that means it's going up. If I sell, that means it's going down. So it goes up, I gain $1, and then if it moves down, that means I'm going to lose. So you just want to make sure you're within the favorable market direction for your trade choice. All right, so somebody might want to ask, why do we trade Forex? Why do we trade Forex? So I can tell you that in Forex, we set the rule until the price hits or gets to our stop loss level, we have not actually lost money. So some people don't have the right knowledge, so that's why they get burnt in the Forex market. I can tell you, Forex, it's a very good thing, and you can actually trade it and be profitable. So you can actually trade Forex from any part of the world. Just need your mobile phone or your internet connection, and you're good to go. So Forex is the largest financial market in the world with a daily turnover of $6 trillion every day. So like we said, the topic is how to grow a $100 account to $500. And I would tell you the truth that the first thing you need to know, or the first thing you need to do, it's by having the right knowledge. All right. So as long as you take a trade without understanding, it's gambling. I tell my students, I tell people around me that gambling is one of the major causes of emotion. So if you're clouded with emotions, you can actually trade the market. So how do you trade Forex? First is by having the right knowledge, and you need to understand the bigger picture of what the market is trying to do. I tell my student that there's a difference between predicting the next market direction and knowing what the market is trying to do. And that is what we call foresight and hindsight. So foresight analysis is the way the retail traders, basically the 95% of people that actually lost money in the market, that is how they trade. So they claim to follow the trend. If the market is going up, they buy. If the market is going down, they sell. That is foresight analysis. But we, the institutional traders, which I will advise every one of you in today's live section to be, the retail traders trade with hindsight analysis. I'm very sorry about that. The retail traders trade with hindsight, and we, the institutional traders, we trade with foresight analysis. So foresight analysis is simply seeing what the market is about to do before it actually does that. All right. So knowledge can dissolve fear as light destroys darkness. So some of you don't have the right knowledge in this business. You've been going through the internet looking for so many things, and you don't understand. But I tell you, is the first thing you need to have. It's the right knowledge. The right knowledge will get you started. All right. So give me, sorry. Okay, so let me share with you the pathway to success in the Forex market. So this is a very important information I'm going to give you guys for free. And I'm so happy you made it to this live section. So note that if you learn Forex or binary trading and you're being taught to use the following to forecast market direction, I'm very sorry to break your heart. If you depend on support and resistance, if you use trend lines, if you hope on indicators, if you trade with alert wave, if you trade with chart patterns, if you trade with robots or automated system, I'm sorry to break your heart, you're doing it the wrong way. Yeah, it's going to sound rare, but that's the truth. You can actually make consistent profit using these tools to trade in the Forex market. These are what we call retail trading. And the statistics have shown that 95% of retail traders lost money in the financial market. So how do you trade and make money? You have to trade like the market makers. And that is what we call the institutional trading concept. So if these are what you're using to predict price movements, you won't last long in the market. You can make profit in short term, but in the long run, I strongly doubt if you'll be profitable. So you have to apply the right knowledge, the risk management, money management, and the right trading psychology. And then marvel not, you must have a mentor. I tell so many people that mentors are basically the pathways to success. I had a mentor when I started. That was why I had the right knowledge. And I was watching YouTube videos, watching different YouTube videos, but I was not getting results until when I took time to get a mentor. Then I was shown the right way to follow. So because of this YouTube live, I'm going to be sharing with you, just for the joy for you making it to this live section, I'm going to be sharing with you the $1 million trade secret that it took me so much to learn. I traveled all over. I don't know. I've done a lot of travel just to come across and gather all this knowledge in general. So I'm going to be sharing that with you. The first thing is that the secret to consistent profit in Forex trading is not really your strategy. It's not really your account balance. It's not technical analysis is not enough. Neither your trading history, how many times you win or how many times you lost. But the real secret of Forex profit, it's in the money management. All right. Give me a second. Okay, can you hear me? Okay, so the real secret, okay, good. So the real secret is in the money management, using the principle of what I call risk to reward money management ratio. So what this means is that you risk some few percentage of your account to gain more from the market. So the foundation of Forex trading and every business in the world is to reduce risks and maximize profit. So when you apply the risks to reward money management pattern, you are not bothered about losses. I'm going to explain to you how does this risk management work. So you now trade like an institution with a stable system backing you, because at the long run, you would be profitable. Now, this is how it works. Let's say, for instance, I'm using the risk to reward ratio of 1:2. So 1:2 risk to reward ratio. It simply tells me that 1 is 1% of my account and 2 is 2% of my account. So I'm trading with an equity of $5,000. So that means 1% is $50 and 2% is $100. So if I take a total of 10 trades, that means I win 5 and I lost 5. Now look at the beautiful thing about risk to reward ratio. So if I have a winning ratio of about 50%, so that means for every 10 trades I can take, I'll win 5 and I will lose 5. So this is the 5 I lost. I lost $50 in the first 5 trades, and then the next 5 trades I won. So 1 If I lost, I'm losing 1%. If I win, I'm winning 2%. So I won 2% 5 times and I lost 1% 5 times. And if we do the math, total of this is 250, total of this is 500. So the profit and loss here is $250. So this means that anybody can almost be profitable trading the forex market simply by using risk to reward ratio. And I tell so many people that this business is basically from the foreign people. Some people say the white man. So I know it's not about it's of force. You just apply this principle and you always come out profit more and you win 5. It's you can just revolve around it, but at the long run you would always be profitable. So I'm going to be sharing with you the roadmap to growing a $100 account from $100 to $500. Now it depends. For so many people it depends on your ability, and but let me just share basically what you need to know. The first thing you need to do is to find your edge. What did I mean by find your edge? Find your edge simply means finding the kind of person you are, finding the kind of trader you are. Are you a swing trader? Swing trading is basically having your trade for about 2 to 3 weeks or a month. Are you a day trader? Are you in the market? Discover yourself and work as a man on the island. You have to be alone. Okay, that's what I mean. You have to be alone to discover who you are, to have your own personal relationship from the forex market. It's something so many people don't understand. When they start trading, they look for groups to enter. Yeah, it's good to join groups, but for the first 6 months, you have to learn and understand this. And I tell you, the sky is definitely your beginning. So I'm just going to be sharing with you guys what I mean by trading with the institutional trading concept. And I'm not a retail trader, and I don't know if it's the first time some of you are hearing that, but I'm not a retail trader. I'm part of the market makers. So this is how we analyze the market. We work with we trade with what we call institutional order flow and price algorithm. So I'm just going to be sharing some for you some screenshot of my analysis, the before and after. I post this in my forex groups. Once I do an analysis, I post it there, and after a while I come back and show them the results. So these are the screenshot of some of my analysis. This one is for Dogecoin. Some of you are into crypto, where I was aiming for. And this is another example. The market was already at this level, and I placed the line there that the market is going to run up. Okay, this is the before chart. The market is going to run up to this point and then go there, and that was my take profit. You can see I actually placed this trade live. Once I took the trade, I made a screenshot and I sent it to the group. This is another one. I think this is the last. 80 USD. I did an analysis that the market is going to trade down to this level, and from here is going to propel buyers to come up to this level. I did the analysis. I sent it to the group before, and this is the after chart. This is what we call buyers, and price was efficiently delivered to my profit target. Okay, so this is how I analyze the market. You can observe you're not seeing trend lines on my chart. You're not seeing indicators. You're not seeing some of those things you're learning on YouTube and from different people. They are not working. They can't make you profitable in this business. So you have to learn how to trade like the banks and the institutional traders. So this is the before and after chart of what I just shared with you. And this is the last one. This one is basically from my phone, a screenshot of my trade. The market got to this level. I say from here it's going to sell down to this one, and price was awesomely delivered. You can see I trade forex without stress because of the right knowledge. Okay, the right knowledge makes all the difference. And once you get this right knowledge, your lens and eyes of understanding is going to open to the market, and then you can see that this business is not a rocket science. It's just simple price action. I think I've done justice to the live section. I've been able to share with you what is Forex, how you go about it, having the right knowledge, thing to.
If you have any question you want to ask, please you can just go ahead and leave it in the live chat. Yeah, I think most people are actually leaving the live chat. Network. That's one thing about live stream. You need to make sure you're using a very strong network. If not, but this always Nigerian network will just
Of comments.
yeah. Most people actually I think they're just leaving the live stream right now. I think some are even joining back. Hello, I hope you guys can hear me. If you can hear me, just leave a comment. If you have any question concerning this section, please go ahead and ask them in the comment in the live chat basically. Let me see. Okay, so I don't think there's any question. I don't think there's any question.
Okay, it's all good. It's all good.
Okay, I think some people are having network issue. I can see comments coming in. Someone said awesome class. J, I hope I'm pronouncing your name very well. J Blins official. Thanks for the comment. Awesome class. Thanks for that. Yeah, so if you actually enjoyed the class, you can go ahead and comment. If you have any question, please go ahead and ask. Okay, someone is asking a question. He said, for those of us who would like to start forex trading, and I'm not forex trading, not binary. How do they start?
Okay, I'll be conducting a mentorship program in Forex next month. So they can just join the Telegram channel and they're going to get more information from me. But first of all, my YouTube channel, it's KennyEarn. So they subscribe and I'm going to be giving them more information on that.
All right. Okay. So yeah, KennyEarn, are you going to be giving them discounts based on? Let me say because of me.
Sure. Because of you, I'm giving them discount. So there's a discount. You share the Telegram link, and everybody there is definitely going to have this.
Okay, so if you want to join the Telegram group, I actually pinned it in the live chat. Just go ahead and join the Telegram group. I'm going to paste the promo code for. You definitely need to make sure you sign up for that class. This is just basic knowledge. On the live chat or on the live section, you're going to learn more about Forex. You can go ahead and change the stop sharing your screen. So just
okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Thank you very much.
The comment for you. He said, KennyEarn, you are the best. He said you're the best, my mentor. Yeah, thanks for that.
Thank you very much.
Okay. Yeah.
Recording stopped.
We have another question again. Someone is actually asking, what is your risk management strategy advice if you would give a person a trading account of $200? Like, what you advise the person to do?
Okay, the risk management advice is always risk 1 to 3% of your account per trade. All right, so anything you're doing, it's just to always risk 1 to 3%, and then you work with the principle of risk to reward. So if you're trading with 1:2, that means if the market hits my stop loss, I'm losing 1%. and if the market hit my take profits, I'm winning 2%. So with that way, you don't need to stress for getting scared about losses. You just have to trade and believe your system, and you always come out profitable. But basically, for risk management, don't go more than 3% of your account on a
All
particular trade.
right. All right, thanks for that. Um, I think to Johnny, Johnny, hope you can actually hear the answer concerning risk management. Okay, so yeah, if you have more questions, please keep them coming. We have till
Okay.
9 p.m. before we end the live stream. So if you have more questions, please ask them now. Like this is the best time for you to grab free knowledge. Oh. If you have more questions, please keep them coming. Like this is actually my first live stream on the channel, but that doesn't mean I'm not going to bring more people to teach you guys more stuff. So if you're actually new to my channel, please consider subscribing to the channel. I'm going to bring more amazing people on this live section whereby you're going to learn different things, and trust me, very soon we are going to have KennyEarn on this channel again, like again. I wish I could even have him on this channel again, like maybe for maybe next month. Like I should just buy his time and he should just give you guys free knowledge. Maybe I'm going to do that. Yeah, maybe
Hopefully,
I'm going to do that.
hopefully,
Yeah, maybe when
hopefully,
I eat, or maybe
we'll
when
see
I
how
hit
it goes.
50,000, maybe 50,000 subscribers or 100,000 subscribers. Yeah. Okay, so I think
There's
I have
more we can
another
achieve.
question. How much do you
Okay.
advise one to start with in forex?
Okay, that question, it's quite not really stable. I can't give a specific answer, but I would say $100 it's good for a start. All right, $100 as a beginner is good for a start. So you learn how to place trade, understand the market, manage your trades, and after that you see your result for the first 3 months, and then you can start with maybe a $500 account. But for a start, $100 is it's very very okay. That should be your minimum,
All
so you
right,
don't
all right.
gamble.
All right, thanks for that. Yeah, my own advice to like because I also trade forex a little bit, but not that much. Yeah, so if you're actually a rich guy and rich guy or rich girl and you have a lot of money, trust me, if you have $1,000, you're going to make tons of money with it. You don't necessarily have to start with $100. Yeah. But first of all, before you dive into forex, make sure you are a risk taker. Like you don't know how to take risks, then forex is not for you. But forex is for everybody as long as you're putting your money in the bank. Like your money is doing nothing in the bank. Most of the bank owners, or let me say Access Bank or any bank in Nigeria, they are actually using your money for forex. Your money is not actually in your account, they're actually using it for forex basically, but when you need it, they're going to give it to you. Okay, so that's why they actually make more money for the bank. So yes, if you don't want your money to just sit down in the bank and you want to use your money for something good, yes, then trust me, you have to sign up for the forex class. Yeah, so if you want to go ahead and join the Telegram group, the link is in the live chat. I pinned it in the live chat above, so you just go ahead and click there, join the Telegram group, and yeah, I'm going to paste the promo code for you to get discounts for the class. Okay, for those of us that are actually on this live stream, or if you're outside this live stream, you're not getting any code. Don't give anybody outside. Don't give anybody outside this live stream the code. Okay. So if you have more questions, please keep them coming. Keep them coming. I think we have just 10 minutes left. Okay, so I think for me, I'll ask my own question. So yeah, I think
Okay.
everyone have asked a question, ask their own question basically. So yeah, for me, if I'm actually a beginner in forex, like yeah, like there are so many beginners in forex, and they're like, yeah, I want to start making money instantly. Like this week, I want to make $500 this week. Like, is it possible? Is it possible as a beginner?
As a beginner,
Yeah.
without the right knowledge, it's basically luck. And everything is possible in the market. You can just mistakenly trade it, make a trade, and the market just go in your direction, and you make money. So as a beginner, there is it's just unlimited. There is so much you can achieve, but The truth is that we need something that is obtainable, that is sustainable, and at the same time that is achievable. So if you can just make $500 in the first month, can you do that the next month? Can you do that the third month? Okay, when you start looking at that, you know that that way you can't be in the market for too long. So you just have to relax and take it steady, slow and steady.
All right, thanks for that. Yeah, I think I'll just share my own experience concerning when I was actually trading. Like there was this trade I actually placed on, and I think the trade was actually going well. It was actually going well for me. Like, but I was like, no, I want to wait for a big profit. I must wreck this market. Like, pack all the money online, man. So immediately I went to bed. Then I woke up. Then boom, man, the market was against me. Like, I was like, is this my account or what? Man, like it's
It happens though, it
so annoying.
happens.
So yes, to you guys out there that are actually greedy like me, that want to wreck the market and pack all your money, what you need to do basically is make sure you set your stop loss on the market. Always set your stop loss so you don't,
Yeah.
so your trade don't go against you in the market. And also it's advisable for you to always watch your trade. Most times if you're actually placing a trade I think midnight against next morning, I don't advise that. Basically, I don't advise that because you need to watch your trade time to time, depending on the kind of trade you're actually running. If it's actually a day trade or a weekly trade, if it's actually a weekly trade, at least you need to check that trade at least every day so you can know if it's actually in the right way or not. If you have to close the
Yeah.
trade early or not, yeah. But if it's actually something that has to do with market, to like the market can do anything. Yeah, okay. So I think I'll just ask another question again. So what do you have to say
Okay.
concerning I think there is this NFPL and this non-payroll for in Forex. I think the one for this month is out already. So what do you have to say about it? Like,
Okay, NFP meaning non-farm payroll. It's basically the unemployment numbers for US. It comes up every first Friday of a new month. So I want to advise traders, especially beginner traders, to trade the news. It's very risky. The market can spike up and down and just do all of a sudden. It can do about 10 things within a very short amount of time. So it's not advisable for beginners. But me, I don't even trade news. Me that can trade, I don't. There's a lot of opportunities in the market. Why must I hope on only first Friday to trade? So it's not, it's predictable. At back then I do trade NFP, but like I said, I'm looking for consistency and sustainability. So I can't just be hoping on NFP. All right, but if a professional, and remember I always keep on saying the right knowledge. So if you have the right knowledge, or if you have the foresight analysis, you can actually look at the markets, look at the NFP, look at where the market is, look at the order flow, and you can say, okay, maybe the market is going to keep on buying or it's going to keep on selling. And what you do is to position yourself. That means having a very, very good entry for the trade, because during NFP, once they announce the unemployment numbers, there's what we call volatility. Volatility is being pumped into the market, and it's going to move very fast. So you have to have a good entry so you don't liquidate your account, or you don't do something that is going to damage your account.
all right. Okay, so for those that are actually beginner in Forex, I think they might actually might I think most of them might not actually know the right question to ask. Like, which
Yeah.
Forex broker is actually good when you're actually beginner trying to learn Forex? Because as for me, I think I use FBS.
Okay. Well, I'm not actually doing an affiliate for any broker now, but personally, what I use is equity market. There are so many brokers out there, but this one is a very innovative broker, and I started using them lately last year, and it's quite a good one. I can recommend equity, but we don't the market. There are so many good brokers out there, but for me currently, I use equity. Brokers doesn't determine your success in the market, though you have to know what you're doing before you start looking out for brokers. But you can use any broker you find yourself. With time, when you have experience, you might start looking out for spread, looking out for other, maybe some brokers might have some pairs and this one doesn't have those pairs, then maybe you can start switching.
Yeah,
But
but I wanted to
as a
I wanted to talk
beginner,
about the spread when you're actually talking about the, because most people actually determine their best broker based on the spread. Yeah.
yeah, it's spread is quite important too, but it's important. It's important. So different brokers too, they have their spread. Some of them are high, some of them are low. There are some that work with zero pip spread. So it just depends on what you actually need and what is working for you. But I work with equity. You can, I think I have a link in my channel, the video about MT4. I have a link there. You can sign up with equity and get you can get yourself started. That will get you started.
All right, all right. Okay, I think there's one more question again, J from J Benz again. So he said, which is actually better? Is it binary option or forex trading?
Okay, I can't say the answer right here now, but I've done a video for that because I'll get that question a lot. So I've done a video in my YouTube channel. You can see KennyEarn. Just search KennyEarn on YouTube. You see it.
Okay.
The title of the video is the Untold Truth About Forex and Binary. So the
Okay.
Untold Truth About Forex and Binary. I don't know,
All right.
maybe you can type it on the comment section or something.
All
But
right. No
you
problem.
see the difference between binary and forex, and you're going to make your own choice personally. Okay, it's a personal thing. But for me, I trade both. I trade binary, I trade forex.
All right, no problem. Okay, yeah, to J Blends, I think, yeah, if you actually want to see the right answer to that question, just go to his YouTube channel. The link is actually in my description below. Then you can from there look at the video on his channel, and yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, I can actually see my boss. My boss is actually live too. Jude, thanks for actually joining the live section. I really appreciate. And yeah, so I think I'm coming to the end of this live section. If you have any other question, please ask before I go ahead and dismiss KennyEarn, because like, behold, the master is about to leave. Does okay? So when it's actually asking a question, does equity, okay, does actually broke, okay, equity broke guarantees copy trading? I actually didn't get that question.
Okay, yeah, equity broker, they guarantee copy trading. They do copy trading. Sure, sure.
All right, all right. Okay, yeah, I think I'll just talk about copy trading for those that are actually not familiar with copy trading. So copy trading is more of like you're copying a trader. Imagine you copying Kenny's End trade. Yeah, but like copying KennyEarn trade. Like you can do that. You can do that. I think there are so many platforms that allows you to do that. So you can go ahead and copy his own trade if you actually want to do that. Yeah. So yes, I'll just go ahead and suggest some tools for you that actually beginner who want to go ahead and do more research concerning it before you go ahead and join the premium class. But don't worry, in the premium class, you are going to learn a lot concerning beginner guide to forex trading, lots more. Okay, like concerning basically most of the tools you actually need is you need MetaTrader. Maybe you can use MetaTrader 4 or 5. MetaTrader has to do with is actually a platform where you can go ahead and place your trade. If your broker does not support MetaTrader, trust me, you can run like just run it from that broker, because most of the time, I think I actually got that question from maybe I think a Forex trader actually asked me that question, like, is it good? Must the broker always have a question like have this what am I trying to say, sir? I think I got myself confused. Okay, so please, if you have more questions, please just go ahead and ask. Let's give you a few minutes before we end this live section. Yeah, this live section is really really educative. For those of you that actually want to go ahead and share this link or share this video with your friends, don't worry. After this live stream, I'm going to stop that. Okay. Thanks. Can you hear me now? Okay, I think my audio is clear now. Because I'm also trying to check the audio with my headphone at the same time. Like it's not easy actually live streaming, and you have to manage the whole setup on your sim. So if you have
Oh,
any
with time will
question,
get
guys, please
better.
go ahead and time will get better. Yeah, for those of you that are actually new to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and also subscribe to KennyEarn channel. Yeah. So I think I'll come to the end of this live section. I'm just going to play music. Yeah, for the meantime, yeah, in the live section before I before I dismiss Kenny. So yeah, if you have any question, like guys, please go ahead and ask. Go ahead and ask. I have like 2 more minutes. Yeah, like 2 more minutes. Okay, I think yeah. I'll just okay. Someone actually commented. Thanks, Big Bilino and Kenny N for the valuable information. Thanks, Ademola. I'm sure I saw a comment. Thanks for that. Thanks for that. Okay, so like I said, make sure you join the link in the pinned comment to learn more about Forex trading, and also so you can be eligible to get discount code for the KennyEarn training that's actually coming up. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Okay, you definitely don't want to miss that training. Okay, so I think that's all for this live stream. I'll just go ahead and I'll call it a day. Okay, so yes, guys, thanks for actually coming to the live section. See you guys
All right.
in another live stream like this. And KennyEarn, thanks for actually joining the live stream. I really, really appreciate this. Like, it's not easy. It's not easy to actually have like a big forex trader in the market
You,
actually honoring my invitation. I'm actually a small YouTuber. I know I'm a small YouTuber, but very soon I'm going to get there. I'm going to get 100,000 subscribers. I'm going to get 200,000 subscribers. I'm going to get to 1 million. And yes, with the help of you guys, I'm going to get that. Okay, yeah, I think. Okay, someone actually asked a question. Is it better to use Signal or analyze yourself? What will you suggest to the person?
okay, if you want to take Forex, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
If you want to take Forex as a career, I would advise you to use Signal. Signal is not good for your development. But if you want to take it as something you just do on the side, just once in a while you just look at it, maybe you can have somebody that will be giving you Signal. But if you want to take it, maybe as a youth, you have the time, you have everything at your leisure, you can learn to do it yourself. It's a very simple thing. It's not hard. All right, you can do it yourself. So I would advise you do it yourself and learn to trade profitably.
All right. Okay, so do you have like maybe a free signal group or a paid signal group? If you have both, will it be available for them to like join the group in the Telegram group, like from the Telegram group?
Okay, there is a way this forex industry operates. I can't be giving signal and at the same time I'm teaching. So it's either I'm teaching basically and I'm giving signal, because if I'm giving signal, all my time is going to be focused on signal. So for that, I don't give trading signal. But once in a while, I might just be moved. Maybe if I take a trade, I might just feel like posting it in my forex group. Okay, well, it's basically for my paid audience. So
All right.
for my paid members, my mentorship students. So anything goes wrong, we could still talk it out, and nobody comes and question me for anything. All right.
All right.
So,
All right.
but basically, I teach you. If I teach you, you can do it yourself. It's not a big deal.
Yeah, I think that's amazing if you can actually learn forex yourself, whereby you don't have to get free signal or join or a paid signal group. Like imagine you learning it yourself, and if you learn it yourself, like you can go ahead and give free signals. Like you can give free signals, you can get and create your own Telegram community whereby you share free signals or paid signal, and you just like give them some amount of money they're going to pay to join the Signal group. I think that's actually amazing. Like it's actually my suggestion to you guys. Like here on this channel, I actually teach you how to make money online. So trust me, this is actually a good way to learn money, how to make money. So if you want to go ahead and make money with this, you can go ahead and learn from KennyEarn and go ahead and go ahead and provide free signal and also provide paid signals to people that have no knowledge concerning forex. And yeah, you're going to make money for yourself because you can actually charge above $200 per month just to get forex signals. Or you can I have a guy that actually charge I think $1,500 for per month for forex signal. And there are also others that actually charge forex robots and co, but I don't know if you're actually doing forex robot. I'm not going to dive into that. For you guys, I don't know what forex robot is all about. It's actually it's more of like robots that will just trade for you on the market. I don't advise that at all. If you want to learn forex, go ahead and learn forex. Don't let any robots trade the market for you. It's amazing. That's why we're actually giving discounts for you in this class. Okay, so that's it, guys, for this section. I think yeah, I've passed the 1 hour. So this is I passed 1 hour with like 8 minutes, 8 minutes more. So I think yeah, Kenny, thanks for actually joining this live stream. I really
Thank you for
appreciate.
having me,
And
G.
yeah,
I really appreciate it.
yeah, thanks for joining the live stream. So I'll just go ahead
You're
and
welcome.
end the meeting, and I'll just play music
You,
on
you
my YouTube channel.
did you give them any information about the replay? Are they getting it on your YouTube? Can somebody
Okay,
come back to watch the
okay.
live?
Yes, the basically you can actually come back to the channel and watch this live stream, and you can still go ahead and watch this live stream. Like once I end this live stream, you'll still be able to watch this video from the beginning to the end. Okay, yeah, I think most of the time I actually see some lagging in between, but I actually recorded the training section. Recorded the training section where he was actually explaining all the things concerning forex. I think we'll have to upload that section again on my channel. And yeah, Kenny N is also going to upload it on his channel. If you're actually a subscriber on Kenny's N channel, you're actually going to get access to the video. And concerning this live stream is on my channel. Like it's very I think it's going to be maybe I think the size if I want to upload this video on Kenny N's channel, I think it'll be going to about 2 gig or so, or 3 gig, I don't know. Okay, so yeah, okay, yeah, someone actually commented Kenny N is actually the best teacher. I'm proud to be one of your students. I think yeah, I think one of the students is even here. Yeah, so I think
I shared link in my student group, so some of them are here too.
all right, that's amazing. That's amazing. It's really amazing. Like to have you on this channel. Okay, so yes, I think
Thank you.
that's all for this this section. And yeah, please, if you have any question, just drop them in the Telegram group. I'm not answering any question again. Like I'm not sure. I'm tired. I want to go and rest. So thanks for having me, and yeah, thanks for
All
coming
the
to the channel.
best. All the
Yeah, thank you.
best.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, bye for now.
Yeah, bye.